Hey guys, just a quick video. I went out down Margate earlier and took lots of pictures of various things, and I posted in the group a photo I shot. So photos along the bottom here. One sec. I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took 10 photos, so these are all the same. Down here. Down here I have a little preset I added, and I take sharpening down because Lightroom likes adding sharpening for some unknown reason. I sync all the images, synchronize, and then I edit in, open as layers in Photoshop. Wait for that to load up. This part depends on how fast your computer is. I think mine's quite fast, but I mean, raw files, any computer struggles with them. Okay, so click the top layer and then go down to the bottom layer. I press Shift, select, and it selects them all. Okay, and then you go to Edit, Auto Align Layers. Auto Align Layers, Auto, OK. Well, again, this can take a while, depends how fast your computer is. Okay, so you can see it needs to be cropped, but then so I'm just going to make sure that they're all lined up a bit. You can probably see, so certain modes take away the people and things. Click that to normal, so obviously it needs cropping, I'll leave that to Lightroom. Okay, so while they're all selected, right click and click to convert to smart object. It should condense it all down to one file. Okay, once it's all connected down to one file, go to Layer, Smart Objects, Stack Mode, Median. So now it's going to stack them all together, and because the noise is random, there's some sort of algorithm which goes on which takes away all the random pieces which differentiate between the photos. I think that's it. So all the people who stay still, they're going to still be there. So now what I do, I just press X at the top, click Save, and it should take me back into Lightroom. Now it's taken me back into Lightroom. Now this is the image it's just come out, so I can give it a little bit of a crop. I don't want to crop it too much. Okay, so if I zoom in here, because there was no sharpening, I can add a bit of sharpening. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and then I can go to, so that's the original file, and then I go back to the edit version. I've added sharpening there as well. There's more sharpening, but yeah, I like to keep it in a sweet spot around there. So that's the result, and that is the original file. I'll zoom in a couple of places as well, again, so you can see that the example of difference. So there's the processed file, and there is the noisy original single file. Cheers for watching.